Tap on Program Profiles in the main menu, and look for the next empty slot. Put in the password, and tap Edit. Give your profile a name. First step, we want to dry out the bean. For this, we use linear roasting. I put 60 seconds, at 90% air, and a supply temperature of 190 degrees. The next step, is to take the beans into first crack. I put 80% air, and a pile temperature of 205 degrees, with a rate of rise, or ROR of 15. Next step, I choose the highest temperature, for this roast. I put 70% air, and a pile temperature of 213 degrees, and reduce the ROR to 5. At last I set a development step, to develop the roast further. For this, I use linear roasting. I put 60 seconds, 60% air, and a supply temperature, of 218 degrees. Remember, the temperature in the roasting chamber, is 19 degrees cooler than the supply temperature. Tap Save, and then Main. Tap Roast Coffee, and check if your program is there. Select it, and now you are ready to roast this profile.